In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your emo profile picture. If you want to update your profile and make your account look more personal or more current, this is a very quick process. Changing your profile picture on emo only takes a moment, and once you know where to tap, it becomes very easy to do again anytime you want. First, open the emo app on your device. Make sure the app is fully loaded so you can access your account settings without any delay. Once you're inside the app, look for your profile picture and tap on it. This will take you to your profile area where you can view and manage your personal account details. After that, tap on Edit Profile. This is the section where emo allows you to make changes to your account information, including your profile image. Once you're in the profile editing screen, tap on your current profile picture. This tells the app that you want to replace or update the image you're currently using. Next, tap the camera icon. This icon gives you the options for choosing a new picture. At this point, you'll usually see two choices. You can either take a new photo right away using your device's camera, or select a photo from your gallery if you already have one saved on your phone. If you choose Take Photo, your camera will open and you can capture a fresh picture on the spot. Try to make sure the image is clear, well lit, and centered, especially since profile pictures are usually displayed in a small circle or square. If you choose Select from Gallery, browse through your saved photos and tap the one you want to use. Once you've selected your photo, emo will usually let you crop or adjust the image. This step is important because it helps you frame the picture properly so your face or the main subject is visible. Take a moment to position the image the way you want. A well-cropped photo will look much better as a profile picture. When everything looks good, tap Save or Done to confirm the change. After that, your new profile picture should appear on your emo account. And that's it. You've successfully changed your emo profile picture. If this is your first time doing it, don't worry. It gets even easier the next time.